Today, I'm going to send emails to all the users available in a Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. I'm keeping it inside a Google Drive. Here I have the name and email address of the users. So let me open the Make and I'm going to create a new scenario. So first we need to search all the rows in a Google Sheet. So select Google Sheet and I want to search rows. Here we need to connect my Google Sheet with this module. So add, sign in with Google, select your account, continue. Okay, now my Google account is connected with this sheet. I'm going to select from my drive, and the Google Sheet ID is basically the name of this Google Sheet. So here the name is email list. So let's search email list. So here it is, select, and the sheet name, this is the sheet name, sheet 1. So select sheet 1, and table contains headers, yes, and the column range. Here the filter, so I want to select all the rows with some value. So I'm going to select emails exist. So it will select all the rows which has an email address. So save it. Let's test this module. Run this. Now our module is executed, and here we can see the output, the bundle 1 and bundle 2, the name of the user, email address. Okay, now I am going to connect with another module. Add another module, select Gmail. I want to send an email, so send an email. Connect your Gmail account, so add, sign in with Google, select your account. So this account will act as a from ID. Now my account is connected with this. I'm going to select a recipient. So a recipient is the email address which is available in this sheet. So I want to select this column. Okay, so click on it, and here you can see the fields. I want this email. Okay, so select B, and subject, welcome to Bosch Day. Now I want to write a content. Greetings, a name of the person, so name. So next line, welcome to Bosch Day. So save it. Now I am going to run this module. So let's run this. Okay, so operation is completed. Now let me open my Gmail account. I have received an email, welcome to Bosch Day. So click on it. So I got the message.